Want to know why your Airbnb listing is still 20% vacant? It might not be your photos, it might not be your amenities, it could be your pricing strategy. And in the next 4 minutes, I will show you exactly how to fix it. Hey hosts, welcome back to the channel. I help new Airbnb hosts and arbitrage beginners get fully booked without stressing over algorithms and overpriced tools. Today, we are diving into dynamic pricing, the real reason why some listings stay vacant and others stay fully booked. First, let's talk tools. If you're still pricing manually, you're already falling behind. Apps like AirDNA, Beyond Pricing, and PriceLabs analyze demands, events, seasonality, and competitor pricing, then adjust price automatically. This alone can increase occupancy by 10 to 20%. This tool shows you your recommended market rates, high demand dates, and low season adjustments, so you are never guessing. Here is a powerful manual strategy. Drop your price 3 to 5 days before any unbooked night. According to insights shared on open air homes, Airbnb favors competitive last minute pricing, meaning that it boosts your visibility and helps fill gaps. This small tweak can turn dead nights into booked nights, especially for business travelers and spontaneous guests. Next is smart discounts. If you want longer stays, you must activate weekly discounts 5 to 15% and monthly discounts 10 to 25%. Long stay guests reduce cleaning stress, reduce turnover stress, and stabilize income. Plus, Airbnb ranks listings with strong long stay incentives higher in searches. Now, let's fix those awkward gaps in your calendar. You can fill them by running a 24-hour flash sale, lowering price for isolated single nights, swapping check-in check-out blocks, and allowing one night stays temporarily. This tells Airbnb's algorithm my listing is active and competitive, and you get pushed up in search. Here is a before and after example of a host who applied these tricks. Look at the booking jump. Try these pricing tricks for the next 7 days and comment your results below. Hit like and subscribe for weekly Airbnb tutorials. And don't miss my next video, the unique amenities that get you consistent 5-star reviews.